Many of us know about the latitude and longitude because we study it at schools. If we ask you a question, what is latitude and longitude? Everyone will say it is a line, but it is an angle. There is a difference between angle and line, right? So before seeing this latitude and longitude, we need to know some basic shape and structure of Earth. If I ask you a question, what is the radius of your circle? It is easy to say because it will be a single value, but for Earth, it is not a single value. It varies place to place. From the center of the Earth, if we measure towards the equator, the radius is 6378 km. But if we measure towards the polar region, it is 6357 km. So the radius is not same. We consider Earth as not exact sphere. Sometimes it refers as geoid. We always say the radius of Earth is 6371 km as an average. Because of this variation, the circumference of the Earth also varies. The circumference at the equator is 40,075 km. Circumference at the polar region 40,007 km. This is Geo Atlas. I am Karthik. How these latitude longitudes are constructed. If I draw a line at the center of the Earth and a vertical line perpendicular to the line which I have already drawn on the center of the Earth. If I draw another vertical line at the 30-degree interval from the center of the Earth and another vertical line at 60-degree interval and another line at 90-degree interval, such a way I can construct till 180 degree in the eastern hemisphere. The same way at the 30-degree interval and further at 60 degree, at 90 degree interval. Now these lines combinedly will look like a sphere. These lines are start from one pole and end at another pole. So longitudes are equal length because every longitude starts from one pole and ends at another pole. We may define a longitude, an imaginary line drawn on a specific angle of degree in vertical plane. We all know that a sphere or a circle has 360 degree. If I construct a line for every degree, I may construct 180 degree towards eastern hemisphere and 180 towards the western hemisphere. So the total number of lines are 360. 0 degree is considered as prime meridian, Greenwich Meridian or 0 degree meridian. Here meridian is an alternative word to refer longitude. This 0 degree meridian or longitude is passes through a Greenwich laboratory which located in London, so it referred as Greenwich Meridian. The distance between two longitudes at the equator is maximum, at pole is 0. The distance between two longitudes at the equator is 111.31 km. If we further divide this 1 degree by 60, this subunit is called minutes. The distance between 2 minutes is 1.855 km. It is considered as nautical mile, a unit of distance which used on sea navigation. And another special longitude is 180 degree. We use this 180 degree as international dateline with some exception. This 180 degree longitude passes through on Pacific and connects North Pole and South Pole. And the application part of longitudes, it is used to refer time. How these longitudes are used to refer time? Earth takes 24 hours for completion of one rotation. If a person stands on somewhere on Earth, it takes 24 hours the person to reach the same location. That means the sun is above on head, and the same person took 24 hours to reach same location where the sun comes over on his head. The earth takes 24 hours and the earth has 360 longitude. If the same person stands on 0 degree longitude, the sun is over on his head. Now the person travels along with rotation of the earth and takes 24 hours to reach or to come again the same place. We stop here and ask one question. What will be the angle of the rotation for 1 hour? Earth takes 24 hours to finish 360 degree. That means if we divide 360 by 24, the resultant will be 15. For 1 hour, the earth takes 15-degree angle of rotation. That means if a person stands at the 0 degree longitude, another person stands at the 30-degree longitude in eastern hemisphere. We all know the earth rotates from west to east if we look from the northern pole. So the time difference between these two persons is 2 hours because the angle of degree interval is 30. If a country extends east to west, then it may face time scales from the eastern border to the western border. For example, Russia. For political or administrative purpose, countries will use different time zones. Such a way, if you look India, the east-west longitude extent is approximately 67 to 97. That means 30-degree interval. So the time difference will be 2 hours. To resolve this issue, India considering 82.5 east longitude as a standard time. It is called Indian Standard Time. What it means? It means when the sun hits on 82.5 degree longitude, it will be considered as 12 pm. Now this 12 pm is the time for entire India. That means a person lives in Assam, another person lives in Gujarat. Both will consider the time as 12 pm. So they are adjusting 1 hour. Such a way the vast countries always used to divide their countries into several time zones. Like Russia, they have 11 time zones. USA, they have nearly 6 time zones. Because these countries are geographically extends from east-west direction. Hope you understand this concept how the longitudes are constructed. And today a question. If a person starts his journey from Japan and crossed the 180-degree international date line, he started his journey from April 1st. Now what will be the date for him? Please post your answers at comment box. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe and press the bell icon for further videos. Thank you.